So, my Marshall Emberton had this strange issue. It would only turn...
I got a ton of comments asking for a full detailed video, so here it is. A lot of you mentioned you're having the same issue with your Marshall speaker. Our speaker had two problems. First, it wouldn't turn on unless it was plugged in. Second, it kept disconnecting at high volume. Why it happened? So a lot of you asked why this happens. It was due to overcharging. The battery got damaged over time and couldn't hold a stable charge or handle load at high volume. Solution. Thankfully, both problems had one solution. We replaced the battery. I ordered a compatible battery from Amazon and installed it. All right, let's walk through the steps. First, we removed the front grille of the speaker. Once it was off, we could see the speaker drivers and the internal frame. After that, we unscrewed the outer casing. Once all the screws were out, we carefully separated the back panel to open the speaker. Inside, we found the main circuit board, also called the motherboard or PCB. There were two connectors attached to it, so we unplugged both of them gently. Then we unscrewed the motherboard to get to the components behind it.
Remove this PCB board carefully.
Behind the board, we found the battery pack. There was one battery connector, which we carefully disconnected before removing the battery. After that, we put in a new battery that we got from Amazon. Once the new battery was connected, we reassembled everything step by step.
Here the charge is showing perfectly fine without connecting with the charger.
Screwed the casing back on, and the speaker worked perfectly.
Now, even with high volume, it will work. Before I end the video, a quick tip so you don't face this issue: don't overcharge your speaker. Once it's fully charged, unplug it. Avoid using it at full volume all the time. Continuous max volume puts extra load on the battery, and if you're not using it for a long time, don't keep it completely drained. Leave some charge in it. These small habits can really increase your battery life.